Hi everyone, hope you're doing fine. This is question number 18th from your NCERT exercise 13.1. This is from class 11th, limits and derivatives. This is very important question, okay? Related to limits, I have given these two formulas. Please write down. Out of this, I feel only sin x is there. So I am planning to use this one here. Okay? See how I will use it. Can I divide each term by x? This and this. So ax by x, x cos x by x, and b sin x by x. Fine. So this will cancel and this will cancel. So we will have limit x is tending to 0, a plus cos x by b of sin x by x. Now what can we do? See, limit goes to both up and down. So it will become limit x is going to 0, a plus cos x up, and limit x tending to 0, b sin x by x. Now see here, to solve limit we will just put 0 and check the answer. So let me put a plus cos 0 by, here b is a constant, I can take it out, and this is limit x is tending to 0 sin x by x, and this is nothing but this is like a, we can apply proper formula in this place here. Okay? So it will be a plus cos 0, what is cos 0? 1 by b, and what is this formula says? It is 1. So your answer is a plus 1 by b. Try to solve it. Let's see question number 19th. Before solving, I told you always put the x value and check. So 0 into sec 0. So 0 into sec 0 is 1. So it is 0. So this is only answer. See, limit may whenever we are end up with 0 by 0, this is not accepted. But 0 is proper answer. Okay? Next. So this is question number 20. Acha question hai. Let's try. I am planning to use this formula. Sin x by x is 1. Okay? So let's try it. If you remember, the condition for this formula is this x and this x should match. Correct? And these three x should match, then only we can apply this formula. So let's see how can we do. So this will be limit, can I divide each term by x, 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 x and x? Can I do that? Okay? So now what we will get here, if I try to simplify, this x will cancel and this x will cancel. So I am getting this limit will go separate up and down. Then okay, this limit will go to both. So limit x is tending to 0 sin ax by x plus limit x is tending to 0 b, here only b is left, by what is down, limit x is tending to 0, what is left here is only a, right? You can see that, plus limit x is tending to sin bx by x. Now what can we do? सोचिए क्या कर सकते हैं? See, if I apply formula here, this should match, ax should match with down, but here there is no ax. So can I multiply a here and a here? Then it will match. Okay? Here if I want to apply, this is bx, but this is only x. So I will multiply by b up and down. I can do that, right? Yes or no? Now we will simplify step by step. See carefully. In this step, here I can apply formula which is 1. And into a is still there. Sin ax by ax will be 1. These two are matching. ax and ax. This will also match. Why? See, if x is 0, then ax will also be 0. So I can just write a here as well. So now you can see clearly ax, 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 all three matching. So this will be 1. And what is extra which is left over here is a. So let me write a plus x is tending to b. X is tending to 0 and number is b. So there is no x. No need to put anything. By इधर देखिए x is tending to 0. तो a x है ही नहीं. So there is no need to put anything. Plus here we made it equal already. Bx by bx, sin bx by bx will be 1. Sin bx by bx will be 1. And this is into b. Correct? So what I am having is a plus b by a plus b. These two will cancel. Answer is 1. Pause it and try on your own. This is very important question, guys. There may be 3-4 methods to do it, but let me tell you how I did it. What is cosec? 1 by sin x. Cot is cos by sin. Yeah. Now I can take LCM sin x, and this is 1 minus cos x. In last video, I told whenever there is 1 with cos x, what can we use? Whenever there is 1 with cos x, what do we use? We use golden formulas. Right? So 1 plus cos x was 2. It was 2 cos square x by 2. If it is 1 minus cos x, it is 2 sin square x by 2. So I can apply which one here? Write both formulas in your notebook. I will apply this one. Fine. So limit x is going to 0. I hope you are getting it. 2 sin square x by 2. And what is sin x, guys? If you remember from trigonometry, sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Let me use it here. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Fine. What else? What else? I think 2 and 2 cancel. And 1 power of sine will cancel. So I am getting limit x is going to 0 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay. Now we can directly put 0. This is most simple form. Let me put 0 and check. So it will be sin 0 because x is 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is 0. This is only answer. Okay? We need to apply simplification method, or we need to apply formula method or H method only when 0 by 0 is there. 0 by 1 is proper accepted answer. So this is question number 22. Watch it carefully. We will apply a different approach here. So let me assume x minus pi by 2 is t. Okay, this is just assumption. So usually you will see this type of questions are solved by this. Okay. So when limit is x is going to pi by 2. When x is pi by 2, what will be t? T is x minus pi by 2. Okay. T is x minus pi by 2. So let me put x. X is pi by 2 minus pi by 2 cancel, which is 0. So when x is pi by 2, at that moment t is 0 here. So my question will become, everything I have to change into t in this part. In this part, everything I will change into t. So it will be t is tending to 0, right? When x is tending to pi by 2, t is tending to 0. Tan of 2x. So I need 2x. Okay, x is equal to t plus pi by 2, right? This will go there. Okay. So what will be 2x? 2x will be 2t plus pi. So let me write down 2t plus pi. And what is this thing? This is assumption here. Nothing but t. Okay. What is tan pi plus theta? Tan pi plus theta is how much? Everyone knows that, I think. This is plus tan theta. I have explained it in trigonometric videos how to get it. So I will use it here. Limit t is tending to 0. Tan pi plus 2t will be how much? Tan 2t by t. ठीक है, यहाँ तक okay है everybody. Now we know one formula. Limit t is tending to 0. Tan t by t is 1. This is the formula. Condition for this is this t and this t should match. If this is 5t, so this should be 5t, 5t. All should match. Or if this is x, x, x. So here it is 2t. How to make it 2t? So I can multiply 2 here and 2 here. Now I can apply formula here. Tan 2t by 2t is 1. And this 2 I will copy. 2 into 1 is 2. This is answer. What about this matching? Many students ask this. See, if this is 2t, this is 2t, why not this is 2t? See here, if t is 0, then 2t is automatically 0. So you can write it if you want, or you can leave it. But make sure that 1, 2, 3 are matching. Then only we can apply this formula. This is a different type of question, and watch it carefully because coming questions will be solved by a little bit different method. So they are asking find these two limits when limit is standing to, x is standing to 0 and when x is standing to 1, and this is the function. Now function is changing its behavior at 0, means function has two definitions now. For such questions, when there are two definitions, to find limits, we have to find LHL and RHL. Watch it carefully how. So we have to find LHL and RHL. If both limits are equal, then we can say limit will exist and we can find the value. Okay. What is the meaning of LHL? See here, they are asking for limit tending to 0. Means LHL means a little bit this side. LHL means left side of 0. And RHL means write down little bit right side of 0. This is what they are asking. If both side limits are equal, then we will say it exists. Okay, how we write LHL? Limit x is tending to 0 minus f of x. That's how we write. RHL is written like limit x is tending to 0 plus of fx. This is the notation. Okay. 0 minus means little bit less than 0. To which definition I should take? This one or this one? See, 0 minus means just very close to 0 but on the left hand side, less than 0, little bit less than 0. So I should take this or this, the first one, clearly. So let me write down limit x is tending to 0 minus 2x plus 3. I have taken the upper one. Okay. Now it is very close to 0. Just put 0 and check the answer. So 2 into 0 plus 3 is 3. So this is LHL. Correct. See, we have to use other methods, formula methods or H methods only if we are having a problem like 0 by 0, then only. Now 0 plus. 0 plus means little bit more than 0. So which one should I take? First or second? More than 0 is this. So I will take this one only. Correct? So limit x is tending to 0 plus this one, the second one. 3 times x plus 1. Put 0 only. 0 plus 1 I am getting 3. So you can see clearly both side we are having 3. So that means yes, LHL is equal to RHL. It exists, limit exists, and the answer is 3. Okay? Same way we will solve x is tending to 1. So this was for x is tending to 0. Okay? For x is tending to 1, we will show it on number line. LHL means L minus 1 and 1 minus, sorry, and RHL means 1 plus. Okay? So notation of LHL is 1 minus of fx, and for this x is going to 1 plus of fx. Okay, let me write it clearly. 1 plus. Fine. Now we will select the function, first or second. देखिए, it is 1 minus, very close to 1, but little bit on the left side of 1. इधर देखिए, if you see on a number line, here is 1, here will be 0, and here will be 2, here is 1. If you see a bigger picture, number line, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So 1 minus is somewhere here, but it is still more than 0. Can you see that? It is still more than 0. So more than 0 means we will take this one. More than 0 means we will take this one. Okay? So limit x is tending to 1 minus 3 times x plus 1. Now it is 1 only. 1 minus means it is approaching 1 only. So just put 1 and check. So 3, 1 plus 1. 3 2s are 6. Okay? This value is 6. Let me try the other one. Limit x is tending to 1 plus. 1 plus means little bit more than 1. Little bit more than 1 कहाँ पर है? See here, little bit more than 1 is also more than 0. है ना? Should I take first one or second one? Clearly I should take second one. It is still more than 0, right? So I am taking 3 times of x plus 1. Then put 1 here directly. 3, 1 plus 1. 3 2s are 6. So you can see both sides we are getting same value. So write down LHL is equal to RHL. So that means limit will exist. Yes, it will exist. Yes. And what will be the answer? The limit value will be 6.